Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the Wolfram documentation system. In this video, we'll explore how to navigate the online documentation, find examples, and use them directly in your Wolfram notebook. The first page you see is the main catalog of the Wolfram language. It's organized by general functionality, such as core language, string manipulation, data science, visualization, and many others. As you scroll down, you'll also find sections relating to the overall Wolfram system workflow, including notebooks, cloud and deployment, multimedia, external environments, and publishing. Let's use the ContourPlot function as an example. You can find it under Visualization and Graphics inside the Function Visualization category. Click Function Visualization to open its submenu, and you'll see ContourPlot along with other related functions such as plot, density plot, and region plot. Now click on ContourPlot to open its main documentation page. Each documentation page follows a consistent structure, which is highlighted in the column on the left-hand side of the page. Near the top, you'll find a Details and Options section that summarizes important settings, arguments, and modifiers available for the function. Below that, you'll find basic examples that show the simplest ways to use the function. As you scroll down, you can explore additional sections such as Scope, Options, Applications, and Neat Examples. You can also use the left-hand navigation column to jump directly to any section for faster access. You can click directly inside any example to copy the code into your notebook. Let's copy one of these examples and paste it into a Wolfram notebook to run it. You can also access documentation within the notebook interface itself. Simply hover your mouse over a function name, for example, ContourPlot, and you'll see a small information panel appear. Click the left icon in this panel to open a list of usage messages for the function, showing different ways it can be used. Then click the book icon to jump directly to the full documentation page for that function. Alternatively, you can type a question mark followed by the function name, for example, ContourPlot, and press Shift-Enter. This displays the usage information, giving you a quick definition and syntax overview without leaving your notebook. For more advanced functions, such as NDSolve, the documentation includes guide pages and tech notes. Guide pages organize related functions by theme, while tech notes provide in-depth technical discussions, background theory, and practical workflows that go beyond the standard examples. Finally, the documentation homepage also includes non-built-in functions from the Wolfram Function Repository. For example, if you search for hypergraph, you'll see both built-in and community-contributed functions. This lets you explore new ideas and specialized tools created by users around the world. That's it for this overview. You've learned how to explore the Wolfram documentation, find examples, check usage information, and connect them with your own projects. Keep exploring. The documentation is one of the most powerful tools for learning and mastering the Wolfram language.